What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. This is the Crypto Lounge, your source for unedited, unbiased, and unfiltered cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, blockchain news and information. In the last 24 hours, we haven't really seen that much happen. The market has been pretty stagnant. It has remained pretty steady. We're currently sitting right at $347 billion. And we've been sitting there for about a day and a half now. So it's really been sitting between 346 and 353 billion for actually like a week, a little bit more than a week now. So we haven't really seen much movement, but that's not a bad thing entirely. It's nothing to complain about with Bitcoin at $7,700. Ethereum sitting at $607. Ripple at 68 cents. Ripple announced some news last night that Ripple has teamed up with Kuwait Bank. Kuwait Bank called Kuwait Finance House. So they've joined RippleNet. So congratulations to both of them. I think that's very cool. But yeah, again, Ripple's price really hasn't gone over that 70-cent mark in actually quite some time. So it'll be interesting to watch and see when that happens. I do believe it will happen. At one point, Ripple was up as high as $3. It hasn't really traced back up that high, nearly that high since, but I think that we can expect to see it go over $1, maybe play around with the $1.50 range at some point. And this is not financial advice, but really, since it has been at such a high mark already, I think it's reasonable to expect it to eventually get back there, but it might take some time. EOS is currently sitting at $13.86, so sitting still under $14. Litecoin at $121.14, still holding nice in the 6th spot. EOS is overtaking that, though, in the 5 spot. And Ripple still sitting steady in number 3. Today, Dash is at $315.78. It's down 0.01%. So really, it's not down. It's pretty even from yesterday. So Binance Coin, as you guys previously heard me say, it was going nuts. It looks like it's going to continue to grow because Binance is going to continue to grow. It's just such a huge exchange. They're doing over $1 billion a day in trading volume just on Binance alone. So those figures alone state that Binance Coin BNB token will really continue to take off. Right now it's sitting at $16.86, which is really high. So it's up 0.5% in the last 24 hours. So that's good. Omisego is up 4.12%. It's sitting at $11.56. So Omisego, again, for those Ethereum fans, Omisego actually is showing some good signs of growth in the future. So that'll be a cool roadmap to pay attention to. 2018 really is the year that cryptocurrency is going to start coming to the spotlight. It's going to start getting paid more attention to. It already has. It's all over the TV. It's all over the news, really. So that's only going to continue to grow. It's only going to continue to happen more and more. So it'll be fun to watch where new investors are putting their money. And my true belief is that they'll stick with the big 3, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and then play around with some altcoins as well. EOS, Monero, Ripple. Monero is a privacy coin, so that would be different. But Dash is another one. Dash is actually very comparable to Bitcoin as far as the mining process goes, etc. But this is purely speculation. Again, guys, not financial advice. This is just my opinion, but I do find it to be pretty valid. There is some basis in these statements. I think that people like to put their money generally where there's a large sense of trust behind the community. And a lot of these coins that are established and have been around are those entities, are those coins, those assets, those digital assets that have a history and have a backing and have credentials. Oftentimes, new investors will put their money in those places, but that can also vary for an older investor versus a young millennial investor versus a teenager trying to invest some savings. So it really varies. It's all over the board. But that's really it for today, guys. Really caps off this news update. So until next time, you guys keep it cool, and I'll see you all in the next video.